Today I'm tackling a fantastic spring project, a container trellis. A trellis is a great way to add some vertical interest to your garden and provide support for climbing plants. The first thing I need to do is break down the fence picket into thinner strips. I'll be using these strips to create the lattice work of the trellis. I need 2 pieces of 1 inch wide and 5 pieces by ½ inch. I'll put the cut list down below. Now we need to cut these strips down to size for the trellis frame. I have a cut list in the notes below. If there are any large knots in your strips, be sure to chop those out, otherwise they'll cause twisting and bowing as they dry. Now it's time to lay out the cut strips on the workbench to create a lattice pattern for the trellis. I start at 14 inches from the bottom and place a horizontal slat every 2 inches up to the top. I use my ruler to quickly mark the spacing on the vertical pieces. Once I have the layout plan, it's time to assemble the frame. I'll be using a combination of waterproof glue and nails for a strong and secure bond. I apply a generous amount of wood glue along the edges of both strips, and then I nail it down using a 1 inch stainless steel or galvanized brad nail. Repeat this process for all the intersections in the trellis frame. Now the trellis is complete. Place it in your planter, pot, or garden and watch your climbing plants happily take hold. Thanks for watching.